Which we are in, Panna?
Sorry, miss.
Which lesson we are in? Physics or chemistry?
Miss, we were in physics.
Physics. Chapter name?
Um,
I think we completed the first two lessons.
yes, miss.
Crop production completed, microorganism completed. Synthetic plastics
Yes,
and fibers and plastics. I hope we are in.
miss, we were there. Yes, miss.
This is not
Yes, miss.
in the syllabus, just only for reading. Okay. They will ask you only practicals. The new syllabus has very clearly come. This is omitted portion. But for your practical knowledge, you should know that because it is day-to-day life, you are using your cloths, you are using plastic. So you should know what is the raw materials, how they are manufactured. Only for that. And first, let me finish with this. Page number 32 now. For you, which page you take, please? Synthetic fibers and plastics, chapter number 3. Just I'll give you all the important points. It is being recorded. I'll send it to you for any time you can hear it. Okay, it will be in my YouTube. So there are natural fibers and artificial fibers. What are natural fibers? You know that?
Miss, no.
Okay.
Miss.
Plant fibers are cotton. Okay, from cotton we are taking. That is from the fruit of cotton. That is seed, we say. And the jute is from the stem of the plant. The stem of the jute plant is cut and it is made to a fiber. Wool and sheep. Wool is from sheep and yak also. Silk is from silkworms. These are natural fibers. All these are really costly. To make it cheap, what we have done is that we have mixed with some other chemicals. There is one pure fiber that is known as nylon. This nylon is synthesized with coal, water and air. Here no plants is there, but plant is in raw material like in the form of coal. Okay, the dead and decaying organisms is converted into coal. So when in IIT they ask, they'll be in depth, they'll be asking like this. The raw material for coal, like that. So whenever you are taking a lesson, try to have a side paper so that these notes I'll send you very clearly. The synthetic fibers, on the other hand, are named as artificial fibers, or it is also known as human-made fibers. So three names for synthetic fibers. One is synthetic because you are making it with the chemicals. The other name is because as humans are preparing the formulas, and it is also known as artificial fibers because they doesn't have any connection with the nature. I have finished one side of that. And synthetic fibers, these are all commonly known as polymers. Why polymers? Polymers means what? More than one. In maths you are studying na x cube, x square, x plus 10 is a polynomial. Like in the same way, the polymers is also which is having a straight string-like structure. How it will be, I'll be showing you. I'm sharing my whiteboard. Are you able to see my sharing board?
Miss, yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
See, this CH These all are natural carbons only. This is known as one product. Okay. If this product is going to be chained CH, this is called single bond. This is called double bond. Clear? Again, what I will be doing is that again, this CH, double bond, CH. Like this, if it goes on, this is known as polymers. Polymers means group of compounds joined to form one product. This group of products can be in a straight line. Then it is said to be a linear. Okay. But if it is not going to, wait one. If this same product, if I'm going to add here something means, then it is said to be a chain. So it is not in a straight chain. I can add here also one O, I can add here one H. Then it has different names. First of all, understand polymers are group of compounds to form one particular product. Second is that polymers will be always if it is in a straight line with a double bond, single bond, it is said to be a linear polymer. If it is having two things like this, H, this, it can be said as a different polymers which will be having numbers. We say it as saturated, unsaturated. Are you clear with this first line of polymers?
Yes, miss.
Rushali, are you clear, Kanna? Okay. I am in lesson 3. So, synthetic fiber is a chain of small units joined together. Each small unit is actually a chemical substance. Small units combine to form a large single unit is known as polymers. So, I have completed the first page, that is my book 33. Your book, check which one is that. And what is polymers? Polymers is fully chemicals and small units joined together to form a long chain. Polymers occurs in nature also. Why? Cellulose, your blood, your hair, keratin, everything is a polymer. Clear? Are you clear with that? So, your definition should be for polymers means their physical appearance, how they are made, and what is it present in nature, and what product is present in nature is called a polymer. If you write all this, you will get 1 mark. Clear? So, first write, say me what is a polymer now. From what you understood, you say me. Pragya, unmute and talk.
Almost when different compounds are joined together.
No. Rushali, what is polymer?
It's like polymer, like different, there are compounds which are combined together to form a chain, which is called polymer.
Okay, is it naturally present, Pragya?
Yes, miss.
So, what is the name of the naturally present polymer?
Cellulose.
Cellulose or glucose. Okay, from cellulose, if you say cellulose, it is present everywhere because plants are present everywhere. Cellulose, in that is only known as glucose units. Each unit is called. So, can you please write what is polymer? Please write down polymers are single units combined together single units combined together form a long chain. is known as polymer. Okay. Polymers are chemical substances. Polymers are what?
Chemicals.
And why we are saying chemical substance, because cellulose is also made up of what? Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Glucose formula, C6H12O6. Carbon is there, hydrogen is there, oxygen is there. Only the numbers vary. That is what it is said as a chemical substance. So now, the types of polymers, synthetic fibers are, first is rayon. Rayon was found in China. Why? Silk was very costly. They couldn't afford to buy silk. So they mixed with the wood pulp and they created artificial silk that is known as rayon. So this rayon is a natural compound, that is wood pulp, and it is a very shiny also. They made this fiber very shiny, and this shiny product was very equal to coming in very easy colors, different colors, and easy to maintain. That is what is said to be the rayon. Can you please go through rayon and ask me any doubts is there? Types of synthetic fibers. Anyone have any doubt in rayon? So, whenever we are talking about rayon, which country should come in our mind?
Miss China.
China. Why did they make this one?
Miss, because the silk was very, like the silk fiber was very costly. So,
And which century they started making this?
Miss, 19th century.
And what was the raw materials?
Miss,
Miss Po.
Miss.
What is
Miss,
the
what
Pragya?
for?
Wood pulp treated in the chemicals. And rayon is obtained from the natural source of wood pulp. So, here two things are mixed. What is that? Cotton. Cotton will be mixed to make what?
Bed sheets.
Bed sheets. And wood to make?
Carpets.
So, see, one product, but they are giving three products. Silk, textured clothes, carpet, and
Bed sheets.
bedspreads. Okay, bed sheets are bedspreads. Can we go to nylon?
Yes, miss.
Your work will be, you have to write for each and everything how they are made. This is very important to know this. Okay. If you are taking rayon, you should write wood pulp is chemically treated. So wood pulp plus chemical treated with, what is that? Cotton is known as bedspread. Wood pulp with wood to make a carpet. And wood pulp with chemical products is a rayon, artificial silk. Like this, if you write and keep, you will never forget these things. Clear? I will check your notebooks. Nylon. Nylon is another man-made fiber. This was in 19th century or 20th century?
It's 19.
1931. So which century you will say?
It's 19th century.
Miss,
It's early of 20th century.
20th century.
Okay. Always we will be saying the centuries of next. We will not say the exact century years. It was made without using any natural raw materials from plants or animals. It was prepared by, what is the raw material here? Coal, water and air. So I can ask you a question. Name a fiber which is made without using a plant material.
Miss, nylon.
Nylon. What are its raw products?
Miss,
It's cold water and air.
Yes, okay. They never used anything from plant and animal. All the natural things. Water is a natural resource. Air is a natural resource. Then what was that? Coal. It is also a natural resource. Okay. Years together only we form the natural coal. So all these things are for manufacturing of nylon and the raw materials. Nylon fiber was strong, elastic and light. It was lustrous and easy to wash. So it became very popular for marketing clothes. So this particular paragraph is a physical property of nylon. How it is strong. It is easy to stretch. Have you seen your nylon wires? It will be having some tendency. If you tie one rock and hang it for a long time, it will extend. It will not be with your same size what you tied and hanged it. Your socks. Daily you're wearing your socks. At some moment, your socks loosens now.
Yes, miss.
It is stretchable. Okay. Nylon is mixed in your socks and it is very stretchable. That is what here we have covers. In India we say cover. Here what they call?
Miss, nylon.
Yes. See, some place we call it as covers, but here they say that a product of the product's name as a raw material name. Next, we use many articles made up of nylon, such as socks, ropes, tents. That tents which you use for your playing. The other tent which is used for traveling purpose is very thicker. That it is also made with nylon, but it will be having 3 or 5 coatings. It should be strong, no? So they do it like that. And the toothbrush is your nylon because your bristles. All are saying soft bristles. I want soft bristles. You should not itch my. What it will itch you?
Miss, our teeth come like the gum
Gums.
part.
Teeth is stronger than bristles.
Yes,
You
miss, our
will bleed
gums.
only from your gums,
Gum.
not from your teeth. Teeth is very strong like your bones. Curtains, etc. Nylon fiber really so strong that can be made nylon parachutes and ropes for rock climbings also. So I have completed nylon. Nylon is a only product which is made without usage of any natural raw material like plant and animal. Its raw products are coal, water and air. Oh, yes. So can I ask the question from what you understood? Can you say it? Both of you on your cameras, on your mics. Yes.
Miss Nylon.
Miss, nylon is made of air, coal and water.
Polymer is made up of?
Miss.
Polymer, natural polymer is made up of?
This is made up of different kinds of compounds combined together in a chain.
Very
It's
good.
combined.
It is a combined compound. Okay. What is the raw plant material used as a polymer?
Miss, wood. Miss,
Miss Cell.
Very good. Cellulose. What is a rayon made up of?
Miss is made up of
Miss, could you please repeat?
Miss wood pulp.
Wood pulp. So three products of rayons are, main three products of rayons are?
Miss
Wood pulp.
Wood pulp, okay. Wood pulp with chemical is rayon. Then wood pulp with?
Miss with cotton. No.
Very good. Cotton is?
Miss bed sheets.
Very good. Second, wood pulp with wood is? Chemically treated wood pulp, you should say. Okay, rayon is chemically treated wood pulp.
Miss, the next one is
Carpet.
this carpet, yeah, with wool.
Okay. So, what are the physical properties of nylon?
Miss is strong, elastic, and Miss is very light. Yeah,
Easy to wash.
easy to wash.
Clear? So, can we go to the next paragraph? So, next page. This one you can do. Take any rope from your house. You can tie any stone or 1 liter water bottle. Tie it in your window. Mark first the length of it. After 5 hours or 6 hours, you see the rope's length. It will be higher than the original length what you tied. Okay. Do this experiment. If you can record it. So that you will know nylon is really elastic. Clear? So the activity part, because only the class are not doing activities you, because all are in online. Okay, now polyesters and acrylic. We saw first polymers. Now we are seeing polyesters. What is the difference here? Poly only. There mer, here ester. Mer means membranes. Okay, or members, you think. Here ester means it is a part of a chemical. It will be added to the different products to form the polyester. So here polyesters, what is the raw material here? They never mentioned any raw material. They have said synthetic fiber. Why the ester is added to the raw material? Let us see what is it. The tetraline is a popular polyester. So materials, which there is all materials are what? They will be very light. They are not going to shrink. Like your shawls, like your, what to say, raincoat. Raincoats shrink. Your umbrella shrink. Umbrella cloth, it never shrinks. Okay. That like that materials are polyesters. Even shirts are made with polyester will be 20%. The cotton will be of or cotton or any other material what they are going to mix will be 80%. Why it is done like that? In your school uniform mainly, we don't want too much of a color going. Mama, I will be using jig. Mama, but every day if we use jig, within 3 months your clothes will go. Your white shirt will go. That was in uniforms. They will mix small polyester to give the shining lustres. All of us are saying, no, white, pure white, clean white. How it will come? They mix small amount of polyester to it. Polymers plus ester is known as polyester. Clear? How is polyester made? Write it. Because they have not given it in your book. Stop sharing my screen. What? See. They will just first take what is known the plastic compounds. Okay. It will be mixed with the water content. Why water means it is hydroxide. Okay. They treat it in a higher way. Then what they will do is that polyesters are the chemical reactions of petroleum. There we saw coal. Here it is with petroleum, air and water, and it is purified form. Pragya Kanna, are you sleeping? Polyester is made up of what? Petroleum product plus water and then air. But nylon is made up of coal, water and air. Clear? The differences. I will ask each and everything. Because this particular part is known as textile engineering. Okay. This particular is known as textile engineering. This is a chemicals used to make it. You are in industrial study in this lesson.
Miss,
Yes, dear.
Miss, to make polyester, we have to like it's made up of petroleum, water, and air, right?
Yes, Karna. Nylon is made up of?
Miss, is made up of coal, water, and air.
You can feel the differences. We are using everywhere air and water, but the products we are changing when you are doing a synthetic fibers. For each and everything, there is a different physical properties. They don't have the same physical properties. They have different physical. So polyester is a material made up of people are wearing polyester shirts and dresses. Terylene, it is in your school book only. Terylene is a popular polyester. It can be drawn by the fibers that can be woven by and another yarn. PET. They will ask you the full form of PET, and this PET is polyethylene terephthalate. Why it is so big? You know, it is having many compounds of ethylene. Okay, ethylene is the main product. Many products of ethylene is added. Terephthalate. This is like something which gives you the waxy structure, and this waxy structure will be very flexible for them to use and wash. Any polyester shirt, if you take and see, it will be a little shiny. Shiny means that lustrous will not go even you wash. The another thing is that they don't undergo sweat. They will not absorb sweat at all. That is what when rainwater is falling on your umbrella, is it absorbing it? It will not absorb. It will just fall and it will sprinkle and go off. So, PET is a familiar of polyester. It is used for making bottles, utensils, films, wires and others. This polyester is actually made up of repeating units of chemicals called esters. So this esters are, whenever you are adding poly plus wood, it is also a different compound. Okay? Terracotta. This terracotta, how they make, no? You have you seen any toys with terracotta? In villages and all, you can see they will take the mud and they will make the toys. Mud toys. That mud toys, what they will do, no? That suitable clay only they will take. Like that, the particular terracottas can also be made. That is why nowadays you are getting so many toys, no? First toy was, what to say, silly, like a dog or animal. First they made it. Only like ball. All the children balls are all polyesters only. Polycot is a mixture of polyester and cotton. Polywood is a mixture of polyester and wool. So here three products are there. We saw what in for carpet and bedspread we saw different thing. Okay, here we will be seeing what is polycot, polyester plus cotton. And what is wood? Polyester plus wood is known as. So ester is removed and you are using it. Are you clear, Pragya and Rushali?
Yes, miss.
So these all are coming under year afterwards we'll be studying only about the petrochemicals. Because petroleum, once it enters, now can I ask you one thing? Polywood is a natural fiber or artificial fiber?
Miss, artificial.
Artificial. Which chemical is used to do that?
Miss, poly and
Polyester.
polyester. Yeah.
Is a petroleum, air and water.
Water.
Nylon is used by cotton, air and water. Is it cotton, air and water for
Oh,
nylon?
it's coal, water and air.
You wake up now. So, all synthetic materials are prepared by a number of processes using raw materials of petroleum is called what? Petrochemicals. Your question will be petrochemicals. Fabric smells and sticks to the body. Why there was a acrylic, the wood acrylic where she is, okay, her network is not good. Many of these are actually not found by nature. Wool appear to the resemble of wool. They will be prepared by another type of synthetic fiber called acrylic. So apart from this, there is another fiber called acrylic. That acrylic, the made up are relatively very cheap than the polyesters. Acrylic are very cheaper than the polyesters. They are available in variety of colors. Synthetic fibers are more durable and affordable, which makes your curtains, your washing mats, all these are polyesters. Okay, clear with this? So shall we go through this page? By the time if she joins, we will see. Or else I'll take the characteristics. Page number for me, it is a old book. It is 34 and 35.
Yes, miss, the same.
You have got which edition you see? In front of the book, you just check the edition number here.
Miss, I am using the old book. The new book is also the same.
No, they have reduced.
Miss, I was doing the first chapter from the new book. I saw it was same, so I thought everything is same.
9th standard, there is lot of portions removed. 5 lessons. So next year, you people will enjoy your 9th standard. But it will be harder. Your chemistry portion for test is basic chemistry. Am I right?
Miss crisscross method and balancing equations.
We will do every day, last 10 to 15 minutes, we will do that practice.
Yes, Miss. And Miss, for physics, the teacher told that the whole chapter is coming, the chapter 11.
Which lesson? Motion, na?
No, force and pressure.
We have completed it, no? Have I not completed
Yes,
it?
yes,
Small,
Miss. I
small,
was
I'll
just
start. 5 questions, 2 questions. We will keep in touch with that also. These are all petrochemicals, the products which are coming from petroleum and mixed with some other is known as petrochemicals. The petrochemicals is mainly of petroleum products. This petroleum, when they are said to be with carbon and hydrogen. We call this petroleum as hydrocarbons. Generally, when you are reading, no, we will be learning about organic, inorganic, and analytical and industrial chemistry, apart from that pharmaceutical chemistry. All these places, organic is only pure form. Oil, rice, these all are pure form. Barley. Artificial is man-made, we are finding it. Petroleum is a man-made. Only because of petroleum, we started doing so many things. Because petroleum is having different carbon combinations, not only one. They will be saying carbon 1, carbon 2. Carbon 2 means 2 carbons means. Carbon 3 means 3 carbons. Carbon 4 means 4 carbons. Carbon 5 means 5. Carbons is like this. They will go till 25, 30. So each and every product of carbon gives you new innovations. Like this only it started. I have done my practical things with carbon ion. That means what? Where carbon ions can be used mainly, all in your makeup items. You are putting lipstick, we are putting lusters. See, I am very allergic to any foundation cream. Because of the exposures I had, I can't even use a powder. If I use a powder, you can see my face bulges. This particular place. So carbon, every time, whatever, even comb is a petrol product. Plastic, na? Your water bottle is a plastic. Your shoes are mixed with plastic. That only you're getting shininess. Leather shoes, have you seen it? Will be shiny every time. Will leather shoes will be shiny?
Miss, not every time, but our school
Only
shoes.
when you polish, only for 10 minutes it will be shiny.
Yes, Miss.
And your this thing, your canvas shoes, white canvas shoes, is it shiny every time?
No, Miss, not at all.
It is in front, it is a plastic, in middle it is a cloth, again steel buds are given, and down it is a form of polychemicals. Down part, if you put polish or if you wash, it will be shiny. But your canvas shoe, the cloth, that cloth will never be shiny. Only 2 days it will be shiny. Again, you have to wash it. You have to apply your white paint, everything. Am I clear? So all these polyesters, polychemicals, petrochemicals are related to easy usage, easy washability. They are lustrous. Lustrous means shiny, different colors, and they are combinations of so many carbon arrangements. See, in page number 36, you can see plastics. First diagram, as we draw CH, 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 the box, each box is known as CH. This is known as linear. This only I wrote. Are you clear with that? If it is in a straight line, it is said to be a linear. If it is having more than one straight line, then it is said to be what? Cross link. From here only we took the word crisscross. So the combinations you should know, no? Okay, cross. Agya? She's stuck.
Miss, it's raining. That's a maybe net.
Here, we both are in LKG only.
Yes, Miss.
It is not raining, Kanna, for me.
Miss, it's raining over here. It stopped now.
Maybe you will be sending to us from Ikeja to us.
Not
Okay.
Miss, not from Ikeja. It's from Ajao.
You are in Ajava near Airport Road, am I right?
Yes, Miss.
So, cross-link. What is this cross-link means? Anywhere. See, I'll write it so that you will know very clearly what is it. Thank God I'm recording the session so that she will not miss anything. See here, this is said to be CH. This is your first diagram, Kanna. Linear. Okay, it will be like this only. Your linear will be how? It will be like this. It will be a long chain. Okay. But whenever you are going to form multiple layers, you can just make it need not be only in one side. From here also I can. Clear? See, now this one line, this can be connected to this. This is known as what?
Miss, cross link.
Cross. Clear, my dears? Any doubt with this?
No, Miss. Miss, but why is it for CH?
See?
Miss, why is it written as CH?
That is what petroleum products I said. No, always it will have hydrogen or carbon and oxygen in it.
Okay.
When it is having only CH4, we call it as methane. See. Like this only we will be making it. Okay. When this CH, this 3, it goes to the another name. When I'm going to write C2H6, this is another name. C2H, C3H8, this is another name. Here, anything else is there?
No, Miss.
But what I will do is, I will be adding Cl. I will be adding OOH. Then it is going for some, here it is an element. Here it is an acid. Okay. So, every time when a compound is undergoing any addition reaction, then their name changes according to the carbon, hydrogen, and products present in it. Methane, methylene, methanoate, all will have what as a base? CH4.
Yes.
But it will be changing it as it undergoes different connections. Ethane, ester, ethylene. Ester has its own formula. Okay. Like acid has its own formula, OH. Ester is also having its own formula. So when this one I'm combining to COOH, okay, this will combine, this two will combine and they'll form an ester. Then it automatically changes to what? Polyesters. Clear?
Yes, Miss.
1 minute. Please go through this. I'm coming.